Hi, and welcome back to the channel. Uh, I know it's been a bit since my last video. I figured I'd spend some time talking about what I've been up to in that time, where I was, and what I've been thinking about. Really, since I started this channel, I wasn't too sure on my direction as of gaining exposure. And one idea was to do some speed art, see where it goes. And for the short space of time, it seems pretty okay. I feel like I should continue doing this. In the past week or so, I've been checking alternative news as my off time thing to do, and been doing a lot of research on where should I post some of my first games when I actually pick a prototype that I've been thinking on working on. Still not sure yet. I'll probably post some stuff on that and talk about that in another video, or in a forum I just set up. I did a lot of research on that, and if anybody's interested, I'll put a link on the bottom so you can go check it out and maybe stick around, have some conversations, and kick it, you know. As for the forum, I'm not too sure, like many things, on what I'm gonna do with it, but I figured it'll be somewhat like a place to meet other people that's into the things that I do. It's not that I don't know nobody that's into what I do, and I'm still trying to find people that actually respond back to share some of their insights on like the game dev field. But speaking of the forum, I figure I'll post links for my YouTube videos, and in my YouTube videos I'll link to my forum and work on both. And I also found a pretty cool site to start off uploading my games, either as a web browser app or something for people to download. I'm still thinking if I should do like phone or desktop games, which I prefer desktop games because that's the type of games I'm into building. And I have a knack for like trying to make things look pretty, or as best as possible. I just need to put some stuff out. That's all I think. But that's where I've been. A little update on that. You know, doing a lot of research, still trying to figure out where to go and what direction to take. Making my mistakes and see what can I learn. And being wise about what I'm putting out without putting out too much information. Give a little mystery, you know. Well, that was my little bit on giving everybody an update. And if you're interested in more, just let me know and give me a shout. Talk to you on the next video.